As soon as you get to this screen, click the home button and
Didn't even get to cross.
Hey yo, what's Gucci? It's your boy fucking Wolfie, bro. Or girl. Whoever's watching, really. And my friend showed me a trick to do with your iPhone that I need to share with every single one of you guys right now. What if I told you I could hack into your iPhone without knowing your passcode? Well, guess what, nigga? I can't. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to hack into an iPhone without the passcode. Why would you want to do this? Let's say you don't trust your boyfriend or your girlfriend and you want to see if they're texting some side fucking person. Perfect! Hack into the phone! But your relationship's probably not that great if there's no trust, but I guess hacking into the phone could help your mind just calm down a bit. I don't fucking know. So today I'm gonna test it out with my girlfriend's iPhone because she has a password. This is the phone. First of all, what the fuck is this Furby looking ass thing? Girls, I never understood why you guys have a full cat on your phone. Anyways, we open it up. We swipe. Okay, that's the wrong way. We're gonna swipe this way. Look, why do you have a password, Sylvia? Is there no trust in this relationship? What are you hiding from me? Got a side bay? You're texting? Is something you need to tell me? Let me know in the comment section below. We're gonna try entering the phone. 22 something whatever. Okay, nope, locks me out. Again. Alright, we're disabled for a minute. Okay, we're gonna do it with my phone. I'm gonna try opening my phone. Let's say I didn't know my password. Doesn't work. Again, doesn't work. What the fuck do we do? This is where Apple, you played yourself. Siri is about to hook your boy up, so the first step. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. What the fuck? My girlfriend's phone again. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 11:45 a.m.
Are you fucking kidding me? Now my phone goes off. Okay, one more time. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 11:47 a.m. Good morning.
All right, so the first thing you want to do once you get that time to come up is click onto the time. All right, then you're gonna get a screen like this. Once the time comes up, you want to add your own custom time. So click on the plus and this will come up. And then type in anything at the top. So I'm gonna choose my clock Savage Town, there we go. Okay, once you have your location typed in, click beside the location, select all will come up, hit select all, and then when this option comes up, hit share. From here, you wanna hit message, and then type in someone's name at the top. So the name I'm gonna hit is QQQQ. All right, QQQQ. Once the name is typed in, hit return at the bottom, and that should turn green, and you're almost there now. From here, you're gonna wanna click on the name and then click on it again, and then this should come up. Once you get on this screen, you wanna create a new contact. And then when this comes up, you add a new photo, and then you can just choose a photo from, I guess, the photos. As soon as you get to this screen, click the home button, and
Didn't even get to cross.
Alright, there we go. So as you guys can see, I am in my phone. It looks regular, absolutely fucking zero notifications. My phone's dry as fuck. But yeah, shout out to all the relationships I may have just ended over this little hack. Also, I am going to be doing a giveaway very soon. So if you want to be considered into that giveaway, make sure to follow me and be active on all of my social medias. Here's my Twitter. I want you guys to go absolutely savage on my Twitter. Be active as fuck. Here's my Instagram. Do the same thing there. And my Snapchat is Wolfie Raps. They're all Wolfie Raps. So just follow me and be active. And the giveaway is coming up. Look forward to that. Also, make sure to smash the thumbs up button because I just helped a lot of you guys out. You guys should definitely try this out like today or tomorrow because Apple's gonna fix it soon. So it's not gonna be working soon. So take advantage of it now. And also leave a comment down below whose phone you hacked into. Did you hack into your boyfriend's phone, your girlfriend's phone, your mom, your dad, your friend's phone? Why? Why'd you hack in their phone? No trust, no trust. Anyways, that is it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed my back-to-back uploading. I uploaded yesterday, I'm uploading today, I'm going crazy. And I'll see you guys next week. Actually, it might even be before next week with a new video. Could be in a few days, who knows? It'll be before next week. And remember, stay savage. Lego. Would you rather lick cow shit or eat cum out of an old lady's ass? She picked it.
Hey, that's nasty.
Some cow shit?
Whatever.
You guys are copying me.
It ain't rocket science, dude.
The next round, I say the answer.